So let's go. We probably overset. Alright, try this again. We're gonna go with lifting 1 through 2. 2, 3. Let's go to the back. Looking for that first set. Let's go back to this number 4. It's a little longer, deeper. Come on. Let's check this. Should have got that guy's number. There it is, buddy. So that's really cool. I mean, it took a while. That was actually my second attempt. And I tried the blind pick, didn't get it, but it's just really nice to get that spring loaded action shackle release. And that's the 18 of 50. Really happy about that piece. I fucking love these locks. Just these fucking Paclocks are the shit. Just the lock body feels good. Just the ingenuity on it, the feel of it. Anyways, far out, folks. That shit was fun.